What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Keon. I'm coming through with another video, and in this video I'll be unboxing my new custom 3D fitted all-weather floor mats for my 2022 Jeep Compass. This video is sponsored by Lasfit. That is a manufacturing company that produces high quality automotive parts and accessories. You can go check out their channel. Link is in the description below. They sell anything from LED light kits to all-weather floor mats, what I'll be revealing today. They sell portable air pumps. I did a video on it. Make sure you go check that video out. And many more automotive accessories that you can think of. All right, now let's get to the video. All right, about to pop the trunk on them. And the pack just came in. New shipment. As you can see, I have the whole kit for the front seats and the back seats. Like the back seats is just gonna be one piece. Go ahead and also, y'all go check out my review on this this vehicle. It's a 2022 Jeep Compass. All right. Let's see. Nothing else in the box. Yeah. All right, so this is the driver's side. And already you can see how thick it is. They cover the whole footwell. Got this thick track right here. Okay. Yeah, but that's got the two holes to lock it in. All right. Got your user's manual. So that's for the middle. Yeah. All right. And that's for the passenger side. So it goes like this. All right. As you can see, these are the OEM. You see the difference. See, it covered the whole footwell, and then they just lock in place. Like, let me see. Make sure it locks in place. There we go. Ah, there we go. See? Big difference. So you can see how the difference, how the Lasfit ones, they cover more area to keep dirt and debris in one area. Hold on, wait a minute. Oh wait, this might actually go on the, got it wrong. This might actually go on the other side. Yeah, there we go. Yep, that's how I go. Just like that. And it fit right up in a perfect fit. Yep, so I had it wrong. Yes, I like that. It covers all of this, so it keeps all the debris on that, so easy to clean. And then put this here. Should go like this. Yep, just like that. Kind of tuck that in like this. There you go. Easy. Now this is a Toro vehicle, so it'll be easier for me to clean out, you know, in between trips. Easy to just vacuum out or take out and wash off real quick. We got one more. We got one more. I like the thickness. And it clicks right on in there. Perfect. That looks real good. What a difference. I love this thick imprint that they have in the printed in the floor mats. It doesn't go anywhere, doesn't slide. I love how everything fits into place. It uses thick quality material. Big Lasfit on the arm. It's nice. It's definitely gonna keep the car clean between trips with my guests, getting in and out, you know, because a lot of people, they take this vehicle to the beach, you know, sand gets everywhere, so I can just be able to vacuum it out. And they look good, they look pretty good. But yeah, just a recap. Like I said, these floor mats are laser fitted to each vehicle. So it's like a perfect fitment. They use high quality materials. It is very rugged. It's a little thicker than the OEM floor mats that I had in the Jeep. It covers more area, so it could trap more debris inside instead of on the carpet. So that's what I really love about it. Because like I said, I rent this vehicle out on Turo, and it just makes it easier for me to just vacuum out. I can get this vehicle clean faster, easier. And I like the thicker tread that they have on the floor mats, the thicker imprint. Provides more traction. And I like that the mat stays in place, because in this vehicle it comes with prongs so it can hold the floor mats in place. And I love how they incorporate, you know, the fitment to fit that as well. So I could just snap right in, as you can see. But yeah. But like I said earlier, the link will be in the description. So if you want custom floor mats for your vehicle, make sure you check out Lasfit's website. Or if you need any LED lights, or if you need any air pumps, or if you need any other automotive accessories, check out their website. And with that being said, this has been your boy KeonComin'Thru, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.